Hey, it's Sergeant Locksmith here. We're going to change the battery out on our 4-button smart key. This task right here, easy to do. Go ahead and hit your emergency release for your key blade. Go ahead and pull it out. And when you pull it out, go ahead and take the remote, flip it over. If you notice, you have an indentation for where the key goes and a spot here. I prefer using right here. Go ahead and put the key in about 1/8 of an inch, almost to 1/4. And turn it sideways, and when you do, you'll notice a corner popped up, and just use the key blade, push it, and once you get it open, slide the key blade down in there, and you can use that as a little bit of leverage to pop the back off. You got the back off. You can use a flat tip screwdriver in here, or if you got fingernails, a little flat tip goes in nicely. Lift up the battery, go and get your new battery, put it in. This one here calls for the 2450. Battery goes in, it's held in. Put your back of the remote. This part right here needs to go in first because there's a little lip it sits in. Put it in, squeeze it shut, and put your emergency blade back in. And you've just successfully changed your battery out on your remote. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.